Want a new way to get your kicks?
Now it goes to St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City. Looks
the Toyota MR2.
You'll see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico.
Mid-engine, 16 valves, two-seater.
Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino.
Very affordable Toyota MR2.
Get your kicks on Route 66.
It's a kick.
Who could ask for anything more? Toyota.
You know, there's lots of reasons I bought my new Toyota Celica. In the daytime, it's the 16-valve 2-liter engine. And at night, boy, do I look good. In the daytime, it's 135 horsepower, makes me feel real special. And at night, boy, do I look good. In the daytime, Celica's front-wheel drive helps me handle the road. And at night, boy, do I look good.
The Toyota Celica GTS.
Who could ask for anything more? Toyota.
I've never done a commercial, ever. But then I talked to the people at Renault about this. It's the Alliance, and it's a splendid piece of machinery. Design, comfort, even the darn paint convinced me that this fellow needs to be talked about. I was also convinced that the Renault Alliance is one of the best-kept secrets on four wheels. Well, I'm here to change all that.
Camaro Iroc C.
Looking so hot, so good. So much thunder under the hood. Iroc, ooh, Iroc and roll. Iroc, tough on the streets, so mean. Camaro's my thunder, drive this machine. Iroc, ooh, Iroc and roll, yeah. Drive today, Chevy, live today, Chevy. Iroc.
You've shaped it in your mind. Total performance. Now the all-new Toyota Supra brings it alive. Supra shape, designed by the wind. Supra power, created by a 3-liter, 24-valve, 200-horsepower engine that's all heart. Supra suspension, racing type, double wishbone, fully independent. Supra cockpit, where you perform. The new Toyota Supra. This is performance without compromise. Now the Supra dynasty begins. Who could ask for anything more?
Witness the beginning of a new legend. New Jeep Wrangler. The possibilities are endless.
You know, I love everything about this car.
New Chevy Nova. It's a lot more than you'd expect for the price.
It's a darn good car for the money.
Well, you sold me.
And I really like the way it's built.
Oh, it really moves.
95% of Chevy Nova owners would recommend their new Nova to a friend.
There's so much room. I thought you'd like it. And it doesn't cost much to keep it filled either.
New Nova.
It's a lot more than you'd expect for the price.
Drive today, Chevy. Live today, Chevy.
Nova.
The Toyota Camry gives you a lot to love. Front-wheel drive and the most trouble-free new car you can buy. Generous 5-passenger room for the family and the most trouble-free new car. And that's why driveways all over America are filling up with new Toyota Camrys, the most trouble-free new car you can buy.
Who could ask for anything more? Toyota.
When you compare Ford Ranger and Chevy S10 to the new two-wheel drive Jeep Comanche, you'll find they're priced about the same. Yet Comanche has the most powerful standard engine, the longest wheelbase, biggest wheels and tires, highest ground clearance, and the largest optional payload capacity. In fact, the more you compare Comanche, the more you'll see There is no comparison. It's easy to be a truck, hard to be a Jeep.
Toyota announces a crate full of savings. Save up to $707 on selected trucks with options like chrome step bumpers and split bench seats. Wrap it up, Joe. Save up to $916 on cargo vans with options like AM/FM cassette, power steering, tilt wheel, and automatic transmission. Toyota's crate full of savings. Wrap one up today.
Who could ask for anything more? Toyota.
In a day when the average price of a new car is well over $11,000, both of the new Hyundai Excels make a lot of sense. Both Hyundai Excels have more standard features than any car in their class. And both Hyundai Excels are very affordable. In fact, for less than the average price of one new car, you can buy both Hyundai Excels. Hyundai. Cars that make sense.
The one big question when it comes to trucks is who? Who gives you a powerful 2.4-liter engine? Toyota. Who gives you more standard payload than any truck in its class? Toyota. Who gives you 3-across seating? And who does it all for only $62.98? The 1986 Toyota Standard Bed is who? The #1 selling small truck in America. Who else? Nobody.
Who could ask for anything more? Toyota.
What you're about to see is not a car. It's not a motorcycle. What you're about to see is a totally new form of personal transportation. It looks like nothing you've ever seen. And it feels like nothing you've ever driven.
Presenting some very hot deals. Nissan's new hardbody trucks. Fiery, rugged, the most powerful V6 trucks in their class, with prices stripped bare and financing at a shocking 6.7% to make these hardbodies sizzling buys. Come see the full line of new hardbody trucks at your Nissan dealer today, where the trucks and the deals are hot.